This video is strictly because of the disclaimer the Nigerian police force put out because of the viral clip saying that these people are not terrorists, that they are civilians who are vigilante group. So what we are going to focus in this video is we want Nigerian police force to prove to us the law that permits civilians to carry anti-aircraft guns. Mask civilians, or they call the vigilante group, mask with anti-aircraft guns. We want Nigerian police force to prove it to us. Because there are some Bororo Fundanis in Kwara State. That area, they were terrorizing and they alerted the Nigerian army. The Nigerian army came and arrested them with AK-47, Bororo Fundanis, bloody civilians. Guess what? They said it was Rebadu that gave them the gun. And up to today, nobody talked about that. So, we are going to petition Nigerian police force, demanding answers why they said that masked civilians with anti-aircraft guns are vigilante group. So, stay with me in this video. Let us dive into it. This is Thursday, June 25, 2026. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, there was a viral video of a group of terrorists who were coming, and you saw the policeman, waving at them, greeting at them. So after the video went viral, the Nigerian police force, their official Facebook page and also on Twitter, they put a disclaimer saying that those people are vigilante groups, they are not terrorists. A lot of Nigerians see this as a damage control to control the narrative that, policemen or officers are not supposed to give salutation to the terrorists, or they are not supposed to allow the terrorists to have a safe passage without doing anything to challenge them. Definitely, it is going to send a very bad image to the Nigerian police force. It's going to dent their image if they allow the narrative to continue to fly like that. So they put out a disclaimer. But I have a challenge that I'm going to explain to you. And I think people will find reasons to what I'm saying. So first of all, let us read what the Nigerian police force posted. And this is what they posted from I'm reading from the official Facebook page, verified. NPF, that is Nigerian Police Force, clarifies false banditry narrative in viral Castina video, affirms partnership with community security volunteers. That first sentence is sending a strong signal that Nigerian Police Force are saying in a clear terms, those people in the viral video are just civilians. They are volunteers, like a vigilante group. But there is a problem, and there is a reason why what Nigerian Police Force just put out is not sufficient to say that those people are just civilians task force or vigilante group. It's not enough because there is a problem here. Stay with me. Now, the Nigerian Police Force categorically disclaims the false and misleading narrative accompanying a viral video circulating on social media, which alleges that our uniformed police officer was seen interacting with armed bandits in Castina State. The first paragraph here now is just a damage control. I am not saying that Nigerian police force are lying, but I'm going to put forth the proof which shows that these people are not civilians or vigilante as they claim. So stay with me. Now, from the second paragraph, they say, for the avoidance of doubt, the individuals featured in the video are not bandits. They are duly recognized members of the vigilante group of Nigeria, VGN. Well, I know VGN. I know the group. And registered hunters who are actively supporting ongoing security operations in collaboration with the security agencies in Musawa and Matazu local government area of Castina State. The video captured a routine interaction between a police officer and these security volunteers as they proceed to a designated operational area in support of efforts to combat criminality and enhance public safety. Any claim suggesting otherwise is entirely false, malicious, and intended to mislead the public. That is what the Nigerian police force is saying, all right? Now, the Nigeria police force strongly condemned the deliberate destruction of facts and the circulation of misinformation capable of causing public anxiety, undermining confidence in security institutions, and frustrating ongoing security operations. I want to put it forth to Nigerian police that this is not the intention of anybody who shared the video. I'm going to tell you why people shared the video and why people up till now said that these people are terrorists. I'm going to tell you the reason why. Stay with me. Members of the public are urged to disregard the misleading claims attached to the video and rely only on information disseminated through official channels of the Nigerian Police Force and other authorized government sources. The force wants individuals and groups engaged in the creation, publication, or dissemination of false information capable of prejudicing public peace and security to desist immediately, as appropriate legal action may be taken against violators. Then, the last paragraph there is, the Nigerian Police Force remains committed to working with legitimate community-based security stakeholders and other relevant partners in the collective efforts to protect lives, safeguard communities, and combat crime across the country. This was put out by CSP Aniete Okoko Ede Anedu, First Public Relations Officer, Force Headquarters, Abuja, 24th of June, 2026. Now, to the attention of the Nigerian Police Force and the whole Nigerians. You know what? There is a law in Nigeria. I belong to a security outfit. I know the limited gun we are allowed to carry. The limited gun we are allowed to carry is just like pump action, 8 rounds. Yeah, pump action, 8 rounds. We have vigilantes everywhere in Nigeria. We have the national hunters everywhere in Nigeria. Almost youths who are waking up are joining security forces. On daily basis, they are joining vigilante forces to protect their community. We know what is going on. We know our law. Then, Nigerian Police Force coming out to tell us that civilians were carrying anti-aircraft gun. Because they are putting out this information. I am not coming out here now to say, oh, what Nigerian Police Force put out is a lie. That is not what I'm saying, no. I am challenging the Nigerian Police Force to prove to us, to prove to Nigerians that how can a civilian carry anti-aircraft gun while police are carrying pump action and AK-47? I want Nigerian Police Force to now define to us the kind of gun that these civilians are carrying. Mask civilians with anti-aircraft gun on a bike moving like that. Which law? You know, at a time in Kwara State, there were people who were kidnapping, terrorizing the area. The information was given to the Nigerian military. So, let me say, the good Nigerian military now stormed the local government where these terrorists were terrorizing. Guess what? They captured some Bororo Fulanis with AK-47, bloody civilians. They tied their hand to the back. Number one, possession of illegal firearms. That Nigerian military, Nigerian army said they are not supposed to possess that kind of gun. So they captured them. They now take them to the police. Guess what? The following day, these people confessed that Rebadu, Office of Rebadu NSA, gave them the AK-47, Bororo Fulanis, bloody civilians. And that is the area that terrorists were terrorizing. You know, when you are talking to people, listen, we are weak. Don't think that everybody will just come out and believe what you are putting out. We have challenges. We have doubt of what you are putting out because you are saying that these people are civilians, vigilante group, who are working with the police. I don't have problem with that. Our security groups, they cooperate with police. They work with in fact, sometimes we share intelligence, that time with the police. I don't have problem with that, right? The problem I have now with what Nigerian police put out is this. How can a civilian carry anti-aircraft guns? No, you people think that maybe with this disclaimer that you put out, that everybody will accept what you said. We need to ask questions when necessary. We are not dumbs. We need to ask questions when necessary. Because history has demonstrated that movement like this is followed by a terrorist attack in such destinations. Who are these people? They need to be probed. The members of these people need to come out to the public to make a video that we are carrying this anti-aircraft gun. It was given to us by the government. Let us know the law that gives them anti-aircraft guns. Not one person, not two people. You see, that video, I checked the details of the video. You understand? Control the metadata of the video. Though people have shared the video, so the video have lost some metadata. But I control everything that is accessible in that video. I'm talking about the image, the footage. I counted how many guns these people carry. Nobody is carrying pump action. Police, prove us wrong. Prove me wrong that these people are carrying a gun that a vigilante group is supposed to carry. No, prove us wrong that these people are carrying a gun that vigilante officers are supposed to carry. So that is the point where we come to doubt even what you put out. And you have said that people should only rely on Nigerian police force now. The information you put out in your pages is like 1/1 million of what is going on in Nigeria. So if they start relying on you, what are you putting out? What are you putting out? Do you know how many terrorist attacks that happened yesterday? How many did you put out? This is what we are talking. Yes, it is good. I personally encourage authenticity. I encourage, people to always put out verifiable facts. We are in Nigeria. We know what is going on. We saw terrorists carrying sophisticated weapons, and we have a law. There is a law in Nigeria that doesn't permit vigilante group to carry even AK-47, talk less of anti-aircraft guns. Come on. So we need to now wait for another publication by Nigerian police. They then state that they are the one that arm vigilante group or civilians with anti-aircraft gun. We are waiting for you, right? No problem. You said they should believe in you. There is no problem believing in what you said. But what you said must be proven. You must prove your disclaimer that you arm civilians with anti-aircraft guns. The attack that happened in Katsina, Zamfara State, and Plateau State, I have the videos of the bullets of anti-aircraft guns. These terrorists, in so many occasions, they have showcased the video of anti-aircraft guns. And most of them are Russia-made anti-aircraft guns. We check them. We know the weapons these people carry. And that is the same weapon these people you call vigilante are carrying. No problem now. We are not doubting you that these people are not vigilante group. But the problem what we are telling you now, you must come and prove it. Write it out to us that these people carrying anti-aircraft gun were armed by the police. Let us know that you people are arming these people. Let us know. You understand? Like, this thing just seems like fooling people by telling us that people who are carrying anti-aircraft gun are vigilantes or civilians, which not permit them to do that. I belong to a security outfit. Tell me that's a vigilante group that is carrying anti-aircraft gun. I want to upgrade. Let me go and join them. You get it? Let me go and join the vigilante group that is carrying anti-aircraft gun. I want to carry. We all want to defeat the terrorists, right? Come on. We need answers.